Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an on-tap, on-click animation in Figma. I already have a login screen ready, and I will just quickly create a dashboard frame that will navigate to when the login button is clicked. So with the dashboard in place, we can set up the interaction. So make sure you select the login button and switch to the prototype tab, and then add an interaction. Set the trigger to on click, the action to navigate to, and choose the dashboard frame as the destination. Let's preview it. So when we click the login button, it transitions straight to the dashboard with that dissolve effect. Okay, almost there. All right, let's see. When we click, we have our dissolve effect. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.